woman collects 3,000 old Irish recipes from sheep's brains to cow's tongue. A mum of two has collected over 3,000 old Irish recipes, dating back before famine times, which include dishes such as boiled sheep's brains, cow's tongue and blackbirds. Roisín Hynes developed her passion in COVID-19 when she made a pretend meal of sheep's brains with parsley sauce and stewed eels for her kids to make them laugh. She then began collecting and sharing old Irish recipes along with any associated traditions across social media after gathering them from old bookshops and history books on how her ancestors lived. The trained analyst from Great Cullen, County Carlow, now has chefs interested in replicating the recipes, many of which show how the Irish mix potatoes and apples together in their daily dishes. Roisín says she has collected 3,000 recipes, but many of them are various forms of the same dish. For example, Irish stew, which might use different cuts of lamb or goat or different vegetables, depending on what was on offer at the time. Roisín became fascinated with the people behind the recipes. She started sharing the recipes and people contacted her with their stories, and it just grew from there. Unbelievably, she now has over 5,000 readers receiving her weekly newsletter, sharing these old Irish recipes as well as upcoming Irish heritage traditions. When Roisín shared the recipe for boiled sheep's brains in parsley sauce online, a man messaged her to say his mother hadn't enough of her own milk to feed him as a baby. So his grandmother advised her to boil sheep's brains, puree it and mix it with cow's milk and feed it to him. Roisín says a lot of famine soup recipes included cornmeal, which was imported into the country during the famine to help with inflation. Before the famine, she was surprised to learn that people didn't really eat soda bread because of the scarcity of flour. It became popular after the famine when flour became more widely available. Roisín believes many of the old Irish recipes are back in vogue today, such as beef cheek. She has had a lot of chefs reach out to her just for inspiration on new dishes too. To find more on this story, visit the Irish Independent website.